Making Math Count is an initiative that IIIT Bangalore has been jointly executing along with Gyanom Foundation. As you know, IIITB has been in the space of technology education for the last 20 years. And Gyanom Foundation has been started by Professor Sujata Ramudurai with the primary motive of making math education interesting and accessible to school children. The effort as part of this initiative of making math count is primarily to see how maths as a subject can be made interesting to school students and in the age group of 9 till 14, primarily in the class standards 5th to all the way to 8th, 9th standards. That's the primary intent. Through this collaboration between IIIT Bangalore and Gyanom, our efforts to see how technology can play a role in making math accessible. As you might know, there are already a lot of private initiatives happening in making education accessible by using technology. But here, through this effort, we are trying to see how we can create a sustainable and a scalable infrastructure that can promote math not only within the cities but also in the rural parts of the country. Already, Gyanom has started a math park called as Ramanujan Math Park, the first of its kind, trying to talk about what are the basic math concepts through models. Now, leveraging the expertise and experience of several math communicators, including Mr. VSS Sastry, our efforts to see how we can use these math concepts in the lab, how we can actually build tools and props, and that would be able to communicate. Just going to stop. Should I continue? So through our effort is to see how we can use math concepts and props, how through these using these, how we can communicate the math concepts to school children. In this effort, we also leverage some of the faculty and students of IIIT Bangalore and then try to see how technology can help make math accessible for the school kids. I'm just going to stop here for a second. Yeah. So, okay, the effort is not to, through this effort, we are also trying to see how teachers can be involved in the math communication. The intent is to actually see how teachers are not bypassed, and the initiative that we have put together helps and complements the teachers. The platform that we are trying to create as part of this initiative visualizes teachers and students to be jointly contributing, and we sort of co-create the mathematical concepts which will be useful and utilized both by teachers, parents and students. I think I am fumbling a little bit here because that's okay. Just trying to see if I've covered all the points. So this is an year-long initiative, and the expected outcome from this initiative is primarily to see how we can recommend a scheme by which we can have both a physical as well as a virtual mechanism by which math can be made easily understandable and accessible for the kids. Thank you. Thanks. I think I'm not sure. First time, I don't know whether I missed a few points, but thanks. Innovation Center, I am fine. We can do some other time also. Yeah, so sit here only and do innovation. So, IIIT Bangalore has been offering postgraduate programs in the area of computer science and electronics and communication. The institute has been in existence for the last 20 years. During this period, our founder director, Professor Sadagopan, also felt that there is a need to have a focus on innovation as well as on entrepreneurship. With this intent, around 10 years back, the institute started a not-for-profit company called IIITB Innovation Center with the intent to support student entrepreneurship as well as to support innovations that are primarily useful for the community as a whole. So over this last 10 years, we have been offering incubation programs for startups, nurturing student entrepreneurship. We have also been supporting innovation, digital social innovations on campus. Over this period, we have nurtured close to 50 plus startups, and some of the startups have also been successful in the marketplace, both in terms of raising funds as well as in terms of offering their solutions for the benefit of the community. Our efforts going forward to see how we can nurture such social innovations, focus on culturally sensitive solutions, and at the same time offer programs that would sort of create an innovative ecosystem both within the campus as well as within Electronic City. Thank you. Making Math Count is an initiative of IIITB jointly with Gyanom Foundation. As you know, Gyanom is a foundation that has been started by Professor Sujata Ramadurai primarily with the intent of making math accessible to school kids. Generally, it is seen that school children suffer from the phobia of maths, especially in the classes 5th till 8th. So through this initiative, IIITB along with Gyanom is trying to see how technology can make math accessible as well as interesting for school kids. Through this initiative, we are trying to see how we can leverage the expertise of Mr. VSS Sastry and other such math communicators and take their knowledge to the masses. We have very many private initiatives that have been ongoing on making school education interesting for school children. But unfortunately, such initiatives do not make the school kids gain access to the content. Through this initiative, what we are foreseeing is that we will enable the school kids have open access to such material, have access to these materials in such a way that it is easy for them to consume, easy for them to recreate, and at the same time, we are making sure this initiative does not bypass the teachers. So the teachers are very much part of this. They are pretty much aligned with the way the course material is being prepared, and the content that we prepare as part of this initiative is something that complements what is normally available in the books. So there is also an initiative that Professor Sujata has put together in physical form called the Ramanujan Math Park. So our effort is also to see how this math park that is currently existing in Kuppam district can be taken to and replicated in various other districts and cities within the country. Thank you. Is that something that should?
But he identified as my teacher. K. Kumar. K. Kumar from Agastya.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Math Count is an interesting project where we try to make mathematics relevant, interesting, and cool. We as a country, we discovered 0 and the decimal digits, and Srinivasa Ramanujan was born in this very country. And sometimes it is paradoxical when students and parents say mathematics is difficult. We want to prove them wrong. And using simple paper, principle of origami, we would probably be able to produce absolutely low cost, amazing objects through which we can make mathematics interesting and cool. My good friend Dr. Shastri has taken it as a mission, and we have taken it as our mission to support people like Dr. Shastri to take mathematics to the nook and corner of the country, and the schools that are far remote, government schools in remote areas, and every place mathematics should become interesting, and hopefully we will succeed in the next couple of years. Okay. Oh. Professor Sujata Ramdurai is our remarkably well-known mathematician throughout the planet. She has done the country proud for several decades. In the last couple of years, she has taken herself onto a new mission under the project Jnanom, where she is taking mathematics to ordinary folks, to the ordinary schools, to the school children. And we are all there rallying around her in her impressive mission of taking mathematics to the very core of the country. And I am sure that there are many more Dr. Shastris who get created, who will actually amplify the mission of people like Professor Sujata Ramdurai. And we at IIITB, we are all trying to see how we can support such amazing individuals and interesting projects. Okay.